This is a micro-soldering tutorial in which you will learn how to repair parts on a mobile PCB. Either you are working on a sandwich mobile PCB, double layer, which is this that I'm working on right here, or you are working on an IC, you want to repair the part. The first thing you are going to use your polishing tool, your drilling tool. You see what I'm doing right here. If you take a look at the other part, you will see that we have that specific point in the middle of that broken track. That's actually the broken track. It shows that it's going directly into the mobile PCB, into the second layer, like that. So we drill directly into the mobile PCB, not that much in. We just want to expand that point so that we will be able to easily do what we have to do, in which you will see. You get, so you just have to drill in, make sure that everything is clear, and not in all cases you will have to drill directly in. There are times that the track won't go into the mobile PCB, it will be heading sideways, so you drill depending on the direction that the track is heading to. As you can see, everything looks beautiful. We are using forward solder paste here. You will see what we will do right here. So we use the solder paste, we apply it just like that. You don't have to apply it too much. You have to apply it in a way that you will be able to place the next thing that we have to place right there, and you have to make sure that it will have the same level as the original part right there. You will see what we are doing, don't get confused. So you see the reading of our workstation, you see the number that I'm using right there. So that's the safe number to use even if you are working on an IC or multi-layer part, you get. So as you can see, that looks beautiful, it looks okay like that. So the next thing that we do, we just clean. You see that everything is clear, and we use this part repair, whatever it's called. You can see that part point right there. It's the part repair stuff comes with different shapes, so we just pick out the same shape. You can see the size is exactly like the original one right there. So we just place it on top of the solder that we created, solder ball that we created. You can see the level is okay, and you will see how everything is going to balance smoothly after heating. So you just go ahead and heat. You see the same settings right there. You go ahead and hit, then try to adjust the ones that needs to be adjusted manually. So in most cases, when you just hit, everything is going to shift and automatically adjust. You can see the one at the top is not well balanced, so you have to avoid stuff like this. So you focus on that, hit it, then try to press it down and make sure that it has the same level as the others, just like that, and very smooth. While if you are watching my videos, these are my courses. You can see there is a huge discount going on my basic professional level course and my block diagram master book. Depending on when you will be watching this video, you will either get a lower discount or the same discount. So you are lucky if you are watching this video the same day. So the next thing that we are going to do, you can see we are using the UV glue from forward. We're using this UV glue from forward, and just like that. After placing in right there, we use the UV light to cure the glue. This glue is very good, takes like just a few seconds to harden. So just like that. And we use this blade, very important. So you have to make sure that the parts are visible, because if you just put the glue and you think that everything is okay, there will be no conductor right here when you mount the chip or when you mount the upper layer of the PCB. And also you have to make sure that the glue is not too high. So you have to make sure that everything is still level, you get. So just like that, and very smooth.